Imagine if your company could upload thousands of private documents and anyone just ask questions in natural language from these documents, like what is our leave policy or how many policies are in this company, and the system answer instantly, but only if you have the permission to see that data. Here the permission required is staff. In this video, I will show how to build this DocuMind, an AI-powered document management system using RAG, then role-based access control, then JWT authentication, and vector search. And yes, we will also code the entire parts. Now, let's see the challenges and our solutions. Today, many organizations struggle with finding information from large volume of documents. The manual document searching is very much time consuming. There is no intelligent way to query our document. And there exist many security concerns with document access. Here our solution is, it will be AI powered question answering, then instant information retrieval using this RAG, and role based security. There will be 3 roles: admin, then staff, and end user. And the queries, we will use the natural language query to retrieve our exact information from the documents. Now let me give you another practical example. Imagine it's your exam time and you don't have enough time to read your entire book or even a full chapter. Now you need quick and accurate answer from your study materials. With this system, you can do that by uploading your textbook or even your notes, obviously in OCR mode. Now, let's see what makes this document special. There are some features like smart authentication. Here, we will use JWT based secure login JSON web token. Then we will use 3 role hierarchy like admin and staff and end user. And we will use this session management. Then there are another feature like AI powered chat. You can ask any question in natural language, get instant answer from your document, then context aware response using RAG. Obviously it will be context aware. Now intelligent document management. You can upload any PDF or text file. We allow PDF and text here, but in code you can change it to any other files also, like any coding file like .py, .html, or any markdown file also. Then we will use three access control, and admin, admin only, then staff, and then public. If the file access is admin only, then only admin can see this file and question answer based on this admin only file. And if it is staff file, then this admin as well as this staff can see this file also, question answer from this file. And if the file is public file, then all of this admin and staff can see this file and they can question answer from this file, and end user also can question answer from this file, but the end user cannot see the file. End user cannot question answer from the staff file as well as the admin only file. And as well as we will use automatic vectorization here. Okay, now there will be role-based access. Admin can see everything, and staff can access staff and public documents only, and user can access only public documents. Now there are some built-in security and permissions. We will use authentication layer, we will use JWT token, and we will use this 30 minutes expire time. If the expire time completed, then user have to log in again. It may be it is for admin as well as staff as well as end user. Then we will use this token API, token based API protection. Then in role hierarchy, there are 3 role: admin, that is level 0, then staff level 1, and user level 2. Full system access, user management, then all documents, then analytics dashboard. And in staff, they can upload document, public and staff, staff and public documents, not admin only document here. Then chat with accessible documents, and end user can only chat with public documents. I mean to say, this is my admin dashboard, and admin dashboard, he can upload any document like this stock.txt file, this document, and he can set any access level like public, staff, and only admin only. If it is admin only document, then only admin can question answer based on this document. And if it is a staff document, then staff as well as admin can question answer based on this document. And if it is public document, then staff, admin as well as the end user can access this public document. This is my policy.txt. This is admin and staff document, and this device is my admin only document, and health is public document. And this is my staff dashboard. Staff also can upload any document, but staff can upload only a staff only document and public document. Whenever this staff upload any staff document, this document is visible to admin as well as staff. And there are 3 documents. This device.txt is not visible in staff dashboard because this is admin only document. And this is the end user dashboard. End user only question answer, which is public document. Now let's see the high level overview. This is my software and they all are my end users. They can question answer based on this public document only. And this is my stuff. They can upload stuff document as well as public document and can question answer based on this both. And this is my admin. Admin can upload everything. I mean public document as well as stuff document as well as admin only document. Admin can this stuff cannot see this admin only document here, and admin can set with these 3 access level documents. Now let's see the core system components. We divided our full system into 3 parts. One is authentication, another is document handling, and another is chat handling. In authentication, there are user login part, then user registration part, and then JWT authentication part. And in document handling, there are file upload, file delete, then set the access level of each file, then create vector database. And in chat handling, we will create this chat session, then chat message database, then we will ask question and get answer, and we will use this chat history. I mean, we will store this chat history and admin monitoring here. Now let's see our database architecture. We will use here 4 database. One is user database, then document database, then chat session database, and chat message database. In document database, this uploaded by, this is my foreign key. This is inherited from this user's ID key, ID attribute. This chat session as well as user ID. This is my user ID. And in chat message, this session ID is my foreign key. Now let's see the snapshots of our database tables. This is my user table. There is ID, email, password, role, created at, updated at, and is deleted. We use this 0 as admin email and 0 as admin password, on as staff email and on as staff password, 2 as end user email and 2 as end user password. Here 0 is my admin, 1 is staff, and 2 is end user. After that, that is my document table. There are file name, file path, access level, uploaded by, created at, updated at, and is deleted. This updated, this created at, updated at, and is deleted. This will be set automatically when the database is, when the table is created. I mean, when the value is inserted. They are also the same. These values will be uploaded automatically when these values are inserted. There are access level 0. 0 means it is admin only document. 1 means staff document. 2 is end user public document. And uploaded by 1 means that is uploaded by here 1 is my this ID. 1 is my admin. These all documents are uploaded by admin. And then this chat session table, there are ID, then user ID, and created at. This user ID is my this user ID. There are 2 chat session, means this there are 2 chat session means the chat sessions from admin and chat session from staff. Still no user, no end user created any chat session. And in this chat session, there are some messages like chat message. That is my ID and that is role. Then that is my context and then session ID and created at. That is my session ID. See on. This on is my this session ID. Means this is my user ID on. User ID on means this is my admin session. And the role here is 0. 0 means this is my user message, and on here is my AI message. And the user message is laptop versus desktop. And based on the provided context, that the answer, this is my answer, that is my answer. We saw previously that devices.txt file was admin only document. So that is my admin session and it provide the answer. But this is my another session. The session ID is 2. Session ID 2 is here. User ID is 2. User ID 2 is here. The staff. During the staff chat session, this 0 means the user message, means the staff query this laptop versus desktop. But now in this case, he does not provide content the information about laptop versus desktop. Means it does not provide any answer to the staff because this devices.txt file was admin only document. Now let's see the RAG implementation here. First of all, assume these all are my company's private data. This may be PDF file or any text file. Then we will use this document loader to convert these files into document. After that, we will use text splitter to split these documents into chunk. After that, we will embed each of this chunk and create vector. After that, each of these vectors we will store in this vector database. Then when a user query in natural language, we will convert this natural language to vector first. Then we will perform semantic search and we will retrieve the most relevant document based on this queries. These all things will be handled by this retriever. After that, this most relevant chunk or most relevant context and query, we will generate a dynamic prompt and we will use a LLM. Then this LLM will generate a response. We will use here Mistral. Open source Hugging Face model. 7 billion parameter is used during training. Now let's assume this is my single file and there are multiple paragraphs. Like this paragraph is based on this smartphone. This paragraph is based on health. This is based on tablet. This is based on exercise. This is based on laptops. Means this smartphone, these laptops are, we can put it, and these tablets we can put it on the device file, device document. And here this health and exercise, we can also put it into a another document, health, like this single. First of all, we will convert this file into a document. Then we will separate each of these documents paragraph and create individual chunk using text splitter. After that, for each chunk, we will generate this vector, and this vector will be stored in vector database. When user query anything, then this query will be first converted into vectors, then perform semantic search and retrieved the most relevant document. And this most relevant document and this query, we will create a dynamic prompt, and we will provide this dynamic prompt to LLM, and LLM will respond our message. Now let's see which technology we are going to use to create this project. We will obviously use this fast API, and we will use our file storage to upload and delete any documents. Then we will use our RAG system. Then we will use MySQL to store the chat message, then AI generated message, then session, then user details, then document metadata, like this. Now this is my API endpoints snapshots. There are three parts. One is authentication, another is documents, and another is setting. And in this project, we will create each of these endpoints from scratch.